Hi everyone, it's Professor Hall. Welcome to week 6 of English 130. So the last 2 weeks have been pretty intense. Thankfully, this week is a little bit of a breather. You have a discussion forum where you're going to be talking about your project last week. Specifically, you're asked to share the part of the introduction that focuses on attracting the audience. That's that hook that we talked about before. State who the intended audience was for your first draft. Look back on your ideas from Module 2 and the feedback on those ideas, and also the reflection that you did in Module 3, and share the second audience that you chose for the second version of your paper, which you will be doing next week. Explain how you plan to adapt, change, revise, rewrite your essay to meet the needs of your second audience. This is going to be really important, so please give substantial feedback to your peers. It's an opportunity to help them make better decisions for their final projects. And this piece on audience and adapting it, it's like half of your grade for the second project in Module 7. So for Module 7, you're going to be revising the first essay based on changes that I recommend, and the feedback from both myself and your peers, and then you'll create a second version of the essay based on your second audience. Both of these are going to be in the same file or document, but there will need to be significant changes. That's what the rubric asks for. So take this time to really consider that in your discussion. Also, please just note, it can take me a little bit longer to grade your projects. Don't necessarily expect everything back tomorrow, because that's not going to happen. Nevertheless, my number one recommendation for Module 6 is to start working on changes for Module 7 as soon as you're able to. This week should be a bit of a breather in terms of your other assignments. You just have this discussion forum, and a lot of people procrastinate and things like that, but it really should be an opportunity for you to kind of get a jump start on your paper for next week. It's really easy to get behind, so don't miss that deadline and end up with a lower grade than you should have. That's basically it. If you have any questions or concerns, just let me know. Thanks, everybody.